Dudes and dudettes, welcome back to our next show. This week we're going to start disemboweling the engine of the Buell. Last week what we did was we tore down all the parts off of the bike, took off the plastic, took off the primary chain, took off the exhaust system, tore down the whole bike, took the engine out of the frame. Frame is in 3 parts now. We got the swing arm in the back, we got the frame where the wheel's still on front, and the engine is right in front of you. This is going to be a little bit different because Mr. B and Mr. M had a little party last night that I was unable to attend, unfortunately, and they had a really good time. So they're kind of on the slow system this week. Really. But anyways, we're going to crack a beer. We're going to get going.
There you go, brother.
Cheers. Here's to our next adventure.
Put your hands
Down my pants, and I bet you feel nice. Yes, I'm eager.
That this is actually what I want to be doing, is what they're doing, but I gotta hold the camera. That sucks.
It's a dirty job. Somebody's got to do it.
Somebody's got to do it.
It's your turn.
Put it back properly.
Next to the starter.
Oh, maybe
Sorry, next to the...
Ow! Hurts. But if you're like me, everything is numb. There is no problem. Just a hand problem. It takes a real man. Oh, that sounds great.
know what I did with all my pipe. I know what to do. I'm so lost without my pipe.
Oh my god, it must be fantastic.
I got too much shit and I don't know what to do.
Taking so long.
Like it's ages and ages. Okay guys, this one's got us stumped. The forks are straight. The drum looks straight, but we're not sure. Guess we're gonna get it checked out, see if what the tolerance is on all the things, and then find out from a real professional what else we can look for. We checked all the drum to see if it was perfectly round, if it wasn't warped. We checked out where the, what do you call those things, the shifter forks, if, the rods that they're on, see if they're good. They seem alright, they look pretty straight. So I just don't know. We're gonna have to check it out. We'll let you all know as soon as we find out. Dudes and dudes that disembalming. Did I say that right?
There you go.